Hey, Miss Learning in class, if you watch this. This is Jack, and I am going to go over Chapter 11 test, Question 1. So, first things first, I have to show you what I did wrong. So, here's the question. It's to find the surface area of this composite figure. Right here. So, what I did wrong, of course, is I found the area of the square correctly. It's 20 by 20, so the area is 400 units squared. I also found the area of this right triangle correctly as 180 units squared. But what I did wrong was finding the area of the equilateral triangle. So what I did was, like anyone, I divided the 20, 20, 20, it's the side lengths, equilateral triangle, into two right triangles. So you can see right there. What I did wrong, however, was not recognize that 20 was the hypotenuse. So I did 100 plus 400, and then did root 500, which I said was 5 root 5, and then my answer was 580 plus 5 root 5 units squared, which is just plain wrong. I clearly didn't understand how to find the area of the equilateral triangle. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So, bye-bye that. I decided, let's break this down into each individual part to make it easier. So, here's the square. This is the easiest part. 20 on all sides. The area is 400 because base times height, 20 times 20 is 400. Then, up next, we have the equilateral triangle, the part that gave me the most trouble. So it's 20 on all sides, divide it into a right triangle, bring down perpendicular bisector. So we have 10 on one side with the hypotenuse of 20. And now we're going to do this right. 400 minus 100 is 300, root 300, which I said was root 100 times root 3, which is 10 root 3. Then you multiply, so the side length is 10 root 3. Then you multiply it by 10, so you have 100 root 3. And normally you would divide by 2, but since that's half of the triangle, the area of the equilateral triangle is 100 root 3 units squared. And last but not least, we have the little right triangle, which is 18 on the base, 20 on the height. This is easy because the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. 18 times 20 is 360. 360 divided by 2 is 180. And the answer is 180 units squared. So now we just have to combine all the parts. So we have the square, which is 400, plus the little right triangle, which is 180, and the equilateral, 100 root 3. And we get, ta-da, 580 plus 100 root 3 units squared. Thanks for watching, everybody.